I am here with Dr. Annika from Back to Normal PT in St. Petersburg, Florida. And Annika is here for our training and graciously offered to share her personal story for how the newbie has affected her.
Yeah, for sure. So I've been using the newbie for about 2 months now. We've had it for about 3 months, but I had compartment syndrome in my right lower leg from a lot of marathon running. I had surgery for it in 2017. I was able to get back with PT into running, but I would still have pain at the beginning of my runs, was not able to do speed work or going up hills without certain discomfort. So we got the newbie, and so I decided to try it out. What I realized is that I had been running in fear for about 2 years, and so whenever I would run, my body would respond to that input of running and fear. Once I started using the newbie and changing the input and changing the sensory input into my leg, I started having less pain with my runs, and this has been the best training cycle I've ever gone through. I'm able to do 20 miles without any pain because I changed that sensory input into my body to have a better output, and now my muscles run without that fear of pain every time I step on the pavement.
And you're not just, you can brag on yourself a little bit, you're not just an amateur runner, you ran at a pretty high level, right?
Yeah, I ran at University of Miami for college for track and cross country, so running it's part of my life, and just being able to really get back to that has just helped me emotionally as well. You know, it was really a hard time for me when I was able to not run without pain, so this has given me part of my life back, so thank you very much for
Awesome.
that. Just being able to run without pain is a huge thing, and not only just for me but for our patients at Back to Normal with chronic back pain, chronic hip pain, and even acute pain. We've seen them do so well in just one visit and been able to get back to doing the things that they like to do.
That's awesome. So can you tell us just a little bit more on how it has, you've had the newbie there for a couple months at the clinic, how has it impacted you so far? You mentioned outcomes in terms of getting new patients and both of those.
So far, I would say for patients that have been to multiple rounds of physical therapy, or they've been to surgeons that tell them that they need to have surgery and they feel like they don't have another option, the newbie has given them life and has given them this result that, hey, there's something out there that I don't have to have surgery in order to feel better. So that's been awesome for us to see.
Awesome. And I've loved to see the glimpses of those demos you've been doing. Can you tell us just a little bit about those?
Yeah, our demo. So we've been in St. Pete trying to get the word out about the newbie since we love it so much and want to help more people. So we've gone to the local running store at Fit to Run St. Pete, and we did some demos last week, put some people through some squats and some lunges, and really showed them, one, what their muscles can potentially get to, and how that can affect their running form or past injuries that they might have had, and people loved it. So if you want to try it out, please come see us.
Nice, very good. Thank you for sharing your story, and we're excited to see you continue to use this there and just have a tremendous positive impact on your community. So
Awesome.
thank you.
Thank you so much.